Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Suzuki SV650. Beautiful showroom condition, only 517 miles on this ABS-equipped V-twin 650. It's got frame sliders, an awesome sounding Delkevic stainless steel exhaust, and only 517 miles. Someone had to move out of the country, and you get to benefit. Come on by and save a lot of money off the price of a new one. This one's going for only $69.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.